so scared of the ground. Was I? Down to the ground, saw you were nowhere to be found, and I called out your name, but it did not sound the same. Chains that bound you to me. I was a bird, you were the sky on every side. I tried not to look down, so scared of the ground.